This is Pounamu, a precious stone drawn from pure waters. In Aotearoa, New Zealand, it is regarded as a taonga, a treasure of strength, beauty and spiritual value. This Pounamu stone is carefully crafted by its carver. As it takes form, its twist design called pikorua emerges. It's inspired by the pikopiko fern whose fronds curl around one another, symbolising the connection of cultures and the importance of friendship. Pounamu can be gifted, and this one is a gift from Aotearoa, New Zealand to our international students. It's an expression of unity because when we stand together, we all flourish. It's designed to connect the wera to Aotearoa, New Zealand, reminding us how important it is to support each other and to acknowledge the learning and friendship between us. For our international students, as we step into our futures together, tū ngātahi, we stand together.